Welcome to today's meditation. Together we'll stay grounded in the present moment. Take a moment to settle into a comfortable position. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Allow your body to arrive. Nothing to fix, nothing to solve, just this moment. Bring your attention to the weight of your body, the contact between you and the surface beneath you. Feel the support holding you effortlessly. You don't need to hold yourself up. Release just a little more. Now, gently bring your awareness to your breath. No need to change it. Just observe. We begin together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let the breath slow down naturally. Notice this breath, not the last one, not the next one, just this one. This is where life happens, not in the past, not in the future. Right here. Thoughts may appear. That is natural. You don't need to fight them. Simply notice and gently return to the breath. Each return is a moment of awareness. Each return is a small victory. Feel your body again, your chest rising and falling. The air entering, the air leaving. This is your anchor, always available, always here. Now expand your awareness to sounds around you, near and far. Don't label them, just hear, just receive. All of it belongs to this moment. Whatever is here is allowed. Your breath, your thoughts, your sensations. You are not resisting. You are observing. You are learning to be present, and that changes everything. Clarity grows here. Calm grows here. Strength grows here. Every second you stay, you are training your mind. Now, we sit together in silence, just breathing, just being. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now gently bring awareness back to your body, to your surroundings. Notice how you feel more grounded, more present. Take one deeper breath. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And remember, you can return to this moment at any time. It is always here, waiting for you. Thank you for this moment. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share. Share with us in the comments